Hello, in this video I'm gonna tell you how to open camera settings on your Google Pixel 10 Pro. So when you open the camera app, you can find the everything here and the little button in bottom left corner is the camera settings. These are like quick settings and they will be different depending on which mode you're in. You can see we have the general settings right here and the pro settings as well. Yeah, you can just adjust those. Now, as I said, in different modes it'll be different. So if I go to night sight, then they may be a little different. If I go to the video modes, they will be also different. But now you can go also to the full settings, and now it doesn't matter which mode you're in. Just click on the three dots here in the top right corner of the menu that you open after clicking on the gear icon in the bottom left corner. So let's click on the three dots, and now here you have all the different settings that you don't need to adjust that frequently. They are more like for adjusting just once and leaving them as they are. Yeah, you can adjust them here, and these settings right here that you can find are more of settings that you more frequently adjust. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.